Welcome. Today, we take you to the land where civilization itself learned to walk, Sindh, a cradle of unmatched innovation.
Long before the world understood industry, the Indus Valley was shaping wood and clay into masterfully designed utilities. Innovation is deeply embedded in our DNA.
When most of the world's civilizations were primitive and unclothed, Sindh was already echoing with the sound of cotton looms, textile weaving, and fabric dyeing.
When other ancient tribes traveled solely on foot, Sindhis invented the wheel, mastering logistics and trade on bullock carts.
It was this profound spirit of manufacturing and creation that gave the global lexicon a monumental word. From Indus came the root of industry.
Yes, Indus-Try. The eternal effort of the Indus people to create, innovate, and lead the global trade markets.
And from this very ancient tree of innovation blossomed a unique, colorful art form, the legendary craft of Jandi, or lacquer woodwork.
Inspired by the shapes of ancient clay pots and wooden relics, Jandi became the ultimate expression of Sindh's artistic soul.
Passed down through generations, this craft transforms ordinary wood into vibrant, glossy, geometric masterpieces.
No modern paints are used. The magic lies in secret indigenous formulas, layers of lacquer, and the pure heat generated by friction.
With a simple touch of nature, the wood achieves a mirror-like finish that never loses its glow. A true symbol of Sindhi resilience.
From royal palaces to humble rural homes, Jandi furniture became the pride of every Sindhi household during its golden era.
During its peak, Jandi wasn't just a local craft. It was a massive trade asset exported across Central Asia and the Middle East.
Today, the heartbeat of Jandi continues to echo in specific historical pockets of Sindh. The foremost among them is the cultural hub of Hala.
In Hala, entire families are dedicated to keeping this flame alive, blending ancient motifs with functional modern designs.
Travel further north to Kashmore, and you will find another glorious sanctuary of Jandi, famous for its heavy wooden cradles and vibrant colors.
From Hala and Kashmore to pockets in Khanpur Mahar, these towns remain the guardians of this thousands of years old artistic heritage. Meet the true heroes. For them, Jandri is not just a livelihood. It is an act of love, devotion, and cultural survival.
Every geometric line carved onto the wood tells a story of the Indus River, its waves, its flowers, and its eternal spirit. Despite economic challenges, these master craftsmen refuse to let the art die, protecting the living legacy of their ancestors.
It is an art that embraces life from birth, cradling the future generations of Sindh in the lap of cultural luxury.
Today, Jandri is evolving once again, stepping out of rural workshops into high-end urban spaces and global design exhibitions.
Sindh's Jandri reminds us that true innovation never fades. It simply adapts, shines, and conquers time.
Jandri, the beautiful lacquered woodwork of our ancestors, is slowly dying in Sindh. Come, join hands with those who are fighting to keep the alive soul of Sindh breathing. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos celebrating the majestic heritage of Sindh, the Indus heritage. Let's keep the vibrant colors of Sindh.
Jiye Sindh. Jiye Sindh. Jiye Sindhi Boli.